Hey, what's going on, everybody? Getting our first truckload ever here. Target, full truckload of Target, 28 pallets. Very excited. As you can see, it is completely full. That is all ours. It's gonna be fun digging through. So if you like this type of stuff, definitely like and subscribe, or we go through almost all this on video. We'll let you know how much we paid, how much money we think you'll make, all that good stuff. So should be pretty exciting. I'm gonna video each one coming out of the truck, and then obviously going through it as well. So first truckload ever, hopefully many more to come, and it should be pretty fun. So join us for the ride. It'll reach. All right, now it's time to get to work.
Yeah, I guess so. Not even close.
Physical, and you don't need a mask on.
Yeah.
You don't need it.
Let's just hope they're not all sideways.
Well, as long as that one's straight.
Let's hope they're all the big blue ones. If they're like that other side, we can't get them.
There's our first issue, sideways pallets that are not big enough for a standard pallet jack, at least I don't think. Yeah, we're about halfway done. Unfortunately, it says it's our first load ever, full load, and we didn't really realize that you had to, they're side loaded to where we'd have to unload a bunch of them, but that's okay. Huh? Oh, good, yeah. Yeah, I see. Tennis, we need to set this up at the office. That's some great battles. I'm the king of table tennis.
I moved your tripod, obviously.
Yeah. Holy crap. A few more things that fell off right there.
Well, did you work up a sweat?
Oh yeah, yeah. It was fun, let me tell you. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, because like I said, these blue ones, you can get them through the side.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
And if none of the other ones, it would have been a nightmare, but we got it done.
Yep. Now, is this stuff been repaired, or you got to...
Actually, most of it's new. It's just like shelf pulls from Target, most of it, and then we just resell it on eBay, Amazon. We have a little front store now. That's, you know, Facebook. Facebook's really big too.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I just need one signed copy of that paperwork.
You have the paperwork?
Oh,
you have, okay.
Yeah, I give it to her when I first pulled in.
And when you drive away, does that just fall? I don't remember.
Actually...
Or do we put it back up?
It'd be better if you put it back up, because if you don't, it will it'll fall all the way down.
Oh, okay.
And then you'll have a heck of a time getting it.
Oh, okay, that's easy. I know, is that easy?
Yeah. So,
All
all right, guys. Well, good luck at your...
Yeah, thank you very much. We appreciate it. You have a good day and stay safe.
All right.
28 pallets later. Not too bad. Like I said, we got lucky with that many blue ones, because if they were all...
bad for you though, because I can only
That's fine.
carry so much weight, but...
I don't mind. But yeah, if they were all non-blue, oh my god, we'd be here another couple hours at least.
Yeah.
But I'll take it. See new simple, isn't it?
I guess yesterday the way to do that is.
Oh, it's got doors, yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Our other loader has just a door that goes down. Yeah, I forgot. This is our first tractor trailer.
Yeah, I saw him
So
open
it's
it up.
pretty cool.
He had to break, he said drive.
I like that they seal it too. Thank you, Martin. Overall, a good job. Just some miscommunication, but we got it. That's what matters.
It would have been a lot easier last night.
Oh my God, yeah. We had Matt, we had Melissa. Yeah, that's okay though. We got it. I'm not like upset. It was fun, let me tell you. All right, everybody. If you're new to this channel, which I'm sure most of you are, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. As you can see, we got 28 pallets to go through. Should be fun. Let's just do a quick little sneak peek of just one of the random boxes that you get on these pallets. I mean, this is unmanifested, so we have no idea what's on these. Like, here's a really nice TV mount. We got Leah over there chilling. Blankets, bunch of cases. The cases actually sell good for about, they're only about 10 bucks each on eBay, but you net $5 per case or so. Got a Lego. This one's probably a good $70 Lego in the store. It is open, so I'll have to see if everything's there. And this looks like it might be a game. 20 Incredible Tales. Not a game, but some kind of storybook or something for kids. Leah, are you gonna get to work today? Yes, I'm awake. Leah, don't fall asleep, Leah, no. Okay, that's just random stuff. But, it adds up to quite a bit. A lot of furniture. Christmas decorations, which is fine. We'll just put them in the corner until next year and, sell it right before Christmas for probably like, I don't know, maybe 30% off or so. We got this gigantic box. I think it's just full of random, which is awesome. This box could hold easily $1,000 worth of stuff or $30 worth of stuff. That's the mystery, you don't know. Table tennis. That is something I definitely want to put together here. So when we're tired of work and we can play a quick game of tennis. Feels like betting. I mean, 28 pallets, that's a lot of stuff, what I'm trying to say. So if you guys want, like I said, please like and subscribe. We're going to be going through all this on camera, showing you what we get, showing you what we think we can sell it for. We'll go over how much we paid total. And, we'll try to see how long it takes to push through this much product, which is a lot. All right, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.